Hello! A few days ago, I saw a symbol on one of the social medias that belonged to the sales. This symbol was on my mind until I saw this piece of eucalyptus wood, which, as you can see, has a dense and firm texture. I brought it with me from the south till the idea of making this video came to my mind. Join me to tell you what's going to happen. I copied the final design onto a piece of our eucalyptus wood using a paper adhesive. Then use a saw to cut out the large parts. This saw means a lot to me, and cutting with it is like a meditation for me. After that, I start trimming with a knife to get closer to our design. Then redraw the design from different angles on the wood. The sensitive part of this stage is determining the amount of trimming. If it is trimmed too much, there would be no turning back. Then I use a chisel to trim the fine parts. Just listen to the sound of the wood. It is pleasant, right? It is really pleasant. Then redraw and trim the design over and over again until I reach the desired volume. When working with chisel is done, I start trimming the finer parts with the grinder. The outer parts are done first, then inner parts. After reaching the desired volume, I polished it with the sandpaper. And finally, the magic part, protective oil. My hairpin or hair stick is engraved with a symbol of triskelion, which I hope pronounce it right, which represents strong will and courage. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was my first time record sound like this for a video. So please let me know your thoughts in comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.